be afraid. Be very afraid of having to go back and update your source code when you have not properly documented it. Now, the key to documenting your code can be found in comments. And that's the subject of the next JavaScript tutorial at W3 Schools. So make sure that you read through this brief lesson on JavaScript comments. Now, I've got our old friend, the web page that we did for the Dave Matthews band and all along the Watchtower handy. And we're going to document this code. So let's bring up Text Wrangler. And here's our script. I've changed it so that we are printing not just the date and time in our JavaScript, but we're also printing out 3 headers. The song title, the author of the song, or the songwriter, and the artist performing the song in our iframe. So, I want to document this. Well, the first type of comment that is talked about in the tutorial is the single line comment. It begins with 2 forward slashes. And you can type anything you want after that. This script displays the date. Okay? Or the date and headings. And that comment will have absolutely no bearing on our output to the web page. It's a comment. It's just there for us to see, not for our viewers to see. So let's save this out and let's prove that. We'll save it. Go back to our web page. Watch closely. I'm going to refresh it. And there's no change. Our comment only exists for us within our source code. Now, I can take that double forward slash and I can add a comment at the end of the line. And when I do that, it means literally from this point where the forward slashes appear to the end of the line is a comment. It will be ignored by the web browser. So I could say displays date and time. Again, it's going to have no bearing whatsoever on the display of our web page. Our script still worked, but we didn't get anything extra either, which is exactly what we want. Now there's a third kind of comment, and that is a multi-line comment. And that looks like this. It begins with a forward slash and a asterisk. And then you can type whatever you want. This JavaScript displays date and time as well as the headings of our web page. And of course, to end it, it's just the reverse. It's an asterisk, forward slash. And I could have as many lines there as I want. It just doesn't matter how much I want to write. So I could create my internal documentation. I could put in there who wrote the program, who wrote that script. When did they write it? I could have blank lines. What was the purpose? We've already got that, don't we? And then as I go back, I can read what the purpose of this script is. And when I get into more complicated logic, I can document why I wrote the code the way that I did and what I was thinking at the time. That is going to be a huge assistance to you later on. So it's a good habit to start right now. And that's all there is to it.